Here is LeBron! Today we are going to make cumin rubbed pork tenderloin with roasted broccoli, and it's going to be very delicious. Let's begin.
We have our head of broccoli, just cut off the flowerets. And cut your flowerets in halves. Put the broccoli on a sheet pan. Leave some space for the pork tenderloin. Take some olive oil, put that on top. Some pepper, freshly grinded. Take a large pinch of salt, sprinkle that on top. Mix it around. Preheat the oven to 425. Preheat our pan to high. Now we're going to prepare our pork tenderloin. Dab it with a paper towel to make sure that it's dry. And we'll put in some salt. I'd say that's about a teaspoon of salt, and start sprinkling it on top. Coat it all over. Black pepper, brine that on top. Brine some of the pepper on the side. Put the bottom of the tenderloin on that. And take your garlic powder. Heavily coat your pork tenderloin, because when it's cooking in the pan, some of the seasonings will come off. You can be pretty generous with these seasonings. Take your ground cumin. Be very generous with this. You can have a nice layer of cumin on this and rub it in, because this is our cumin rubbed pork tenderloin. And just a sprinkle of chili pepper. You don't have to use that much of this. Now that the pan is starting to smoke up, you can turn off the heat. We're gonna give our broccoli a head start on roasting in the oven while we sear the pork tenderloin in the pan. Put 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pan. Coat the whole pan. Take your spice rub pork tenderloin. Sear this so that it gets brown on all sides. And then we're gonna put it in the oven to finish the cooking. Turn your pan back up to about medium high.
Smells good.
It's like cumin. I love cumin. So you see it's getting brown on the sides. Rotate your pork tenderloin. You don't have to completely flip it. Get it so that it's on a third of the meat. Yeah, it's getting brown on that side. Get the rest of the meat brown. Yeah, that's getting nice and brown. Now turn off your heat. And I'm going to take the broccoli out of the oven, which definitely is not done. We're just going to put the meat on the pan. And now we're going to put this back in the oven. Set your timer to 15 minutes. And the target internal temperature needs to at least be 145 degrees, but I'm gonna actually aim for 150 because I just like it a little bit more done than 145. Let's test this with the meat thermometer. It looks like it's going to need another 4 minutes. Broccoli appears to be done. We're gonna take the broccoli off.
I think it's done.
Yeah, that's right where we wanted it to be. To let this rest on the cutting board for 3 minutes.
Get the meat, very juicy.
We've waited 3 minutes, and now we're going to cut into the meat.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna get a fork just because this is a little hot. And take 3 3 slices. Fan them out.
Very nice. I'm so hungry. Let's try it. It's very soft, juicy inside, and also a little bit salty and sweet in one word. It's very good. That concludes our video. Hope you enjoy it, and we will see you soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!